Hello everyone, my name is Sushil and welcome to my channel Skills Granted. Today we are going to discuss a very fundamental topic, the difference between artificial and human intelligence. This is the topic from where you can start your journey of artificial intelligence and machine learning or data science because human intelligence we all know about it, and after learning the concepts of artificial intelligence, we can map our human intelligence concepts with artificial intelligence concepts and understand things very clearly. So let's start. To understand artificial or human intelligence, first we will understand what is intelligence. Intelligence is just general mental ability of reading, learning, or problem solving that we all know. And how we will get or improve our intelligence or gain the knowledge to improve the intelligence through thinking, through remembering, through judging, through attention, through planning. These are all attributes through which we can improve our intelligence, right? And how we can measure the intelligence in general scenario through educational achievements, through job performance, through health. These are the few parameters through which we actually measure the intelligence. Now, after understanding intelligence, we will come on human intelligence. So I'm dividing human intelligence into the three parts. First part is information, second part is agent, and third part is decision. First part is information. In case of human, how we'll get the information? Through past experiences, new situations like driving, nearby environment. We actually perceive the information through nearby environment also. Through traveling, knowledge on specific subjects. These are a few parameters through which we can actually get information in our real life. And who will process this information and make the decisions? In case of human intelligence, the mind actually processes the information for us, and on the basis of that, we actually make the decisions. But the thing is here that whole process is very specific to mind to mind. Next, now we will come on artificial intelligence. The same way, here also we will get the information, we will process the information, and we will take the decisions. How will get the information in case of artificial intelligence? Through sensors, we can get the information. This is one of the tool through which we can take the information. Like if you want to gather the information about temperature or humidity, we have a temperature sensor, humidity sensors. That is just example. Okay. Now, in case of artificial intelligence, who is the agent that will process the information? In the same way, in case of human intelligence, the mind was doing. So here we will design that agent. There is no natural agent is available in case of artificial intelligence. So we will artificially design agent that can process the information and maximize our success or maximize or make our decisions better. So what are the tools to design that agents? neuroscience, operating research, probability, stats, and machine learning, we can design, we can formulate that intelligent agent and maximize our success. Thank you.